Good morning everyone and welcome back to Redclean. It's the end of another very busy week here. It's a Friday morning and the boys are out working on a commercial property at the moment. We've got Harry, we've got Paul and we've got Reece all working together to get this property looking fresh, looking clean. We're doing some cladding work and we're doing some window work. You can see a great difference already in them and they're shining. The sun's bouncing off them lovely. And also we're doing some windows as well. We've got Harry doing a lot of those actually today. He's and Reece is helping him out on some, but Reece is getting involved with some of the cladding work. Harry has just actually finished one of the big ones, the biggest one here. So just almost a wall of glass, the height of the building itself. And so yeah, they're cracking on. It's looking good. Weather's quite warm. I'm a bit bunged up, but we're back out here again, providing an excellent service, and you can tell from the footage, this is going to turn out lovely from the before and the afters. We're just over halfway through the job now, and actually the client has just come out and had a little look for themselves. They've said how impressed they are, and actually they're gonna give us a few words now just to let us all know how they're feeling.
So we looked online for cleaning companies because we needed a lot of work done at our old office, and we found you guys online, so really pleased we did that. Redclean came up with the best quote, so that's why we went with you guys. It looks amazing so far. They've been cleaning the windows, the fascias, bits of the roof, so fantastic job.
It's a massive difference in it from where it was and where it is now.
Oh, I can see a massive difference already. It looks amazing.
Yeah, it looks lovely. Yeah, thank you. All right.
You're welcome.
Okay, thank you, Rob. Cheers.